Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce divorce costs with Rocket Lawyer, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account if you're not already a member. Explore the legal services section focused on family law. Look for resources specifically about divorce. Review the information provided to understand the divorce process. Select the option for divorce documents. Choose the document that fits your specific situation. Fill out the required information accurately and thoroughly. Utilize Rocket Lawyer's document review service if needed. Consider the subscription plan that offers legal assistance throughout the process. Consult with a lawyer through Rocket Lawyer if you have questions. Download and print your completed divorce documents. File the documents with your local court. Stay informed about any additional requirements from your court. Follow up on your case regularly to ensure everything is progressing. Keep copies of all filed documents for your records. Utilizing Rocket Lawyer can help simplify your divorce and reduce costs. By following these steps, you can navigate your divorce with confidence and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.